Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Moa, Standard 7th, Subject English. Dear students, today we will see the revision of chapter number 3 and 4. Since these two chapters are there in our unit test, we will see some revision of these both chapters. Okay, so let's start it. Activity 4 of chapter number 4. Let's read about the famous places of Gujarat. Already we have discussed this activity, Gujarat part 2. Let's see some revision of it. On the coast of Gujarat are some beaches including the old port town of Mandvi. But the famous coastal spots are the temples of Somnath and Dwarka. We have already discussed some famous places of Gujarat. In Gujarat, some beaches are also including. Among them, one is Mandvi, which is in a Kutch, and which is the famous coastal area. Temple of Somnath and Dwarka also situated at the coastal area. The ancient temple at Somnath was repeatedly plundered, and present structure dates to 1950s, but it carries ancient sanctity for Hindu devotees. This temple, Somnath temple, was repeatedly plundered, means stolen. And the present structure, the present temple, we can see that is built in the 1950s. And still for Hindu devotees, Hindu believers, this temple is the place of sanctity, holiness. Then the popular 16th century temple Dwarka is devoted to Lord Krishna. Dwarka temple which is devoted to Lord Krishna. And this temple is also associated with Mirabai. This temple is also the coastal area's temple. Then the town of Palitana is famous for more than 800 Jain temples. Palitana town we know, already we have discussed this, that 800 Jain temples are situated there, and it is believed that some of them, from 800 temples, some of them are built in 11th century. Then Lothal is the place where we can find only the ruins. Lothal is the ancient town of Indus Valley civilization, which was built during the 2400 before Christ BC, and it is the ancient town. Then the Sasangir National Park in Gujarat is the only place where the Asiatic lion still survive. Then the important famous place of Gujarat is Sasangir National Park, where only we can find the Asiatic lion. Still that Sasangir, the Asian lion, survives. Wildlife Sanctuary, which is situated in Little Run of Kutch, is included in our World Heritage Site. Already I told you that by UNESCO, some places are included in World Heritage Site. So this Wildlife Sanctuary, which is in a Kutch, is also included in a World Heritage Site. So dear students, you have to remember about these famous places of Gujarat. Temples of Somnath, Dwarka, Palitana Jain Temple, Lothal, then Sasangir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. Let's see the further activity. Chapter number 3, Activity 3. Here are the description of games which often confuse us. Study the information given below. The first game, Taekwondo. It is a modern martial art. And martial art is what? Fast, high and spinning kicking. You can see in the picture. The person who is playing this Taekwondo, they are spinning high and fast and kick the opponent party. Taekwondo means the art of kicking and punching. Art of kicking and punching. It is the art of unarmed combat. Unarmed means without any arm, without any instrument. The opponent play. Now it is a combat, fight. The sport originated in Korea. Now the origin of the Taekwondo is in Korea. Next game is Karate. Karate is what? Karate is a hard form of martial art. And Karate is origin in Japan. Karate is striking art using punching, kicking, knee and elbow strike on the opponent's body. How the person is attacking? By punching, kicking, knee and elbow strike. With elbow and knee attacking on the opponent body. A karate practitioner is called a karateka. Okay, and the next game is judo. You can see here in the picture judo. Judo is a gentle form of martial art. Judo is a gentle means soft kind of art. It is also again Japanese, like karate. It is Japanese art of. The most prominent feature is competitive element, where the objective is to throw on opponent to the ground and immobilize or subdue an opponent. It reduces the force. Immobilize means holding them. Now stop them from moving. So this game judo, we can see very soft type of game, and it is origin in Japan. So here we have discussed about these three: taekwondo, which is origin in Korea, karate and judo, both are origin from Japan. Okay, so dear students, prepare where other activities also of chapter number 3 and 4. Prepare these 2 chapters for the next unit test. Okay, thank you very much students. Bye, take care and all the best for the unit test.